Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn important multiple choice questions from the unit Arithmetic Progression. This video covers all the important questions and concepts. Practice these questions along with few similar questions from textbook. First question. If the nth term of an AP is given by an equals 5n plus 3, then the third term is. Students, first step, write down the given nth term. The given nth term is an equals 5n plus 3. Given nth term is an equals 5n plus 3. So, we need to find out third term. Now just replace n by 3. In the nth term, replace n by 3. Therefore, n equals 3. Therefore, A3 equals 5 times 3 plus 3. Now, A3 equals 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3. Now A3 equals 15 plus 3 is 18. Therefore, the third term is 18. The correct answer is option D, 18. In the similar way, you can find out any term. The correct answer is option D, 18. Just replace n by 3. Question number 2. If the common difference of an AP is 5, then what is A18 minus A13? Given common difference D equals 5. The first step is always write down the given data. Given D equals 5. What we need to find is A18 minus A13. What is A18? A18 is nothing but A plus 17D. What is A18? A18 equals A plus 17D. In the same way, what is A13? A plus 12D. Now, simplify A plus 17D. Now, plus into minus, minus A. The same way, minus into plus is minus 12D. Now, plus A minus A will cancel out. The remaining terms are 17D minus 12D. 17D minus 12D, we get 5D. Now we know the value of D. Substitute, that is 5 into 5, we get 25. Therefore, the value of A18 minus A13 is 25. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, 25. In the same way, they can ask few similar questions. Now we'll be moving to question number 3. The common difference of the arithmetic progression 10, 6, 2 is. For given arithmetic progression, we need to find out the common difference. Therefore, the first step is given data, that is the given AP is 10, 6, 2, and list goes on. What is common difference? Difference of any two consecutive terms. Therefore, D equals A2 minus A1. D equals 6 minus 10, which is equal to minus 4. What is the common difference? The common difference of the given AP is minus 4. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, minus 4. Now, moving to question number 4. The nth term of arithmetic progression 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on is. We need to find out the nth term of given AP. Therefore, the first step is the given AP is 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. The first step is find out the first term A and the common difference. The first term A equals to D equals A2 minus A1, that is 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now the nth term formula of an AP is given by an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value of a and d. That is a is 2 plus n value as it is, because we need to find out nth term, n minus 1 into the value of d is 3. Therefore an equals 2 plus multiply 3 into n is 3n, 3 into 1 is 3. Now an equals 3n as it is. 2 minus 3 will get minus 1. Therefore the nth term of the given AP is 3n minus 1. Therefore the correct answer is option C, 3n minus 1. Very simple question. Now we will be moving to question number 5. If k, 2k minus 1 and 2k plus 1 are three consecutive terms of an AP, then the value of k is. If you are solving this kind of question, consider the first term a1 as k, a2 as 2k minus 1 and a3 as 2k plus 1. Students, we know the common difference which is equal to a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2. a2 minus a1 equals a3 minus a2. Now substitute the values of a1, a2 and a3, that is 2k minus 1 minus k, which is equal to a3 is 2k plus 1. What is a2? 2k minus 1 multiplied by minus and we get plus into minus, minus 2k, minus into minus, plus 1. Now 2k minus k, we get k, minus 1 as it is. Now plus 2k minus 2k will cancel out, the remaining numbers are plus 1 will get 2, k equals shift minus 1 to RHS, we get plus 1, k equals 2 plus 1, therefore k equals 3. Therefore the value of k is 3. Therefore the correct answer is option C, 3. By using the concept of common difference, you need to solve this question. Difference of any two consecutive term is the common difference. Now question number 6. If A is the first term and D is the common difference, then general form of AP is. It is direct question. The general form of AP is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D and so on. Therefore the correct answer is option B. The general form of AP is A comma A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. First term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D. What is fourth term? A plus 3D. What is fifth term? A plus 4D. Question number 7. If 2, x, 14 are in arithmetic progression, then value of x is. Students, the middle term x is the average of preceding and succeeding term. We can use the concept of common difference, that is d equals a2 minus a1 and which is equal to a3 minus a2. Consider a1 as 2, a2 as x and a3 as 14. Using this common difference concept, try to find out the value of x. Now I'll try the arithmetic mean concept, that is the middle term is the average of first and last term, that is x equals 2 plus 14 by 2. This can be done directly, that is x equals 2 plus 14 by 2 is 16 by 2, we get x equals 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8, therefore the value of x is 8. Therefore the correct answer is option D, 8. If you use the concept of common difference, you will get the same answer. Try that method. Question number 8. In an AP, if nth term an equals 2n plus 1, then the common difference of AP is. Students, the common difference can be found out by difference of any two consecutive terms. Now here I will find out a2 minus a1. Now using the nth term an equals 2n plus 1, I will find out the first term, replace n by 1, that is 2 times 1 plus 1 we get 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Now in the same way find out a2, that is 2 times 2 plus 1. We get 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Now the common difference is what? a2 minus a1, that is 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Therefore the correct answer is option D, 2. In the same way, you can find out common difference by finding out difference of any two consecutive terms by using the nth term. Now, ninth question. In the sequence, if an equals 4n square minus 1 and an equals 35, then the value of n is. Now, the first step is write down the given nth term, that is an equals 4n square minus 1. The first step is write down the given nth term an equals 4n square minus 1. Now substitute the value of an as 35, that is 35 equals 4n square minus 1. Shift minus 1 to LHS, we get 35 plus 1, which is equal to 4n square. Now 4n square equals 35 plus 1 is 36. N square equals 36 divided by 4. Now 36 divided by 4, we get 9. Therefore, n square equals 9. N equals square root of 9. N equals 3. Square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, the value of n is 3. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, 3. Square root of 9 is plus 3 because we cannot consider the negative value. Question number 10. The difference between sum of n terms and sum of n minus 1 terms is sum of n terms, that is Sn, and sum of n minus 1 term is S of n minus 1. Therefore, the difference of sum of n terms and sum of n minus term is nth term, that is an. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. The difference of sum of nth term and n minus 1 terms is nth term an. Let us understand this by taking an example. What is S3? S3 is nothing but sum of 3 terms, that is a1 plus a2 plus a3. What is S2? Sum of 2 terms a1 plus a2. What is S3 minus S2? a1 will cancel out, a2 will cancel out. Now we get a3. Therefore, S3 minus S2 is a3. Now we'll be moving to question number 11. If sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn equals n square plus n, then the common difference is. Now the first step is write down the given Sn, that is Sn equals n square plus n. What is Sn? N square plus n. Now we'll find out S1 and S2, that is S1 equals 1 square plus 1. We get 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. In the same way, what is S1? S1 is sum of one term, that is S1 equals A1, which is equal to 2. In the same way, find out S2. Replace n by 2, that is 2 square plus 2. 2 square is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Therefore, S2 is what? Sum of 2 terms, that is A1 plus A2, which is equal to 6. Now, substitute the value of A1 equals 2 in this equation, we get A2 value, that is A2 equals 6 minus 2, we get 4. A1 is 2, A2 is 4. Now, the common difference D equals A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 2. Students, as solved in detail, as you practice more number of questions, you can reduce few steps. Now, we will be moving to question number 12. The sum of first n positive integers of an AP is given by sum of n positive integers, that is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. The sum of n positive integers is given by the formula Sn equals n into n plus 1 by 2. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. The sum of n positive integers of an AP is given by Sn equals n into n plus 1 by 2. Question number 13. If A, B, C, D are in AP, then value of B minus A divided by C minus B. Students, that is not D, that is B. C minus B is equal to. Therefore, by using the concept of common difference, D equals A2 minus A1, which is equal to A3 minus A2. Now, what is A1? A1 is A, A2 is B, A3 is C, A4 is D. Now, what is A2 minus A1? We get B minus A. Now, what is A3 minus A2? A3 minus A2 is C minus B. Students, that is B. Therefore, value of B minus A divided by C minus B, which is equal to D, divided by D, we get 1. D and D we cancel out, we get 1. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 1. Students, consider it as C minus B, not D. Now, moving to question number 14. If A equals 10 and D equals 10, then 7th term of an AP is. What is 7th term? A plus 60. By using general form, the 7th term is A plus 60. Now, substitute value of A and D, that is 10 plus 6 into 10. We get 10 plus 6 into 10 is 60. 10 plus 60 is 70. Therefore, the 7th term is 70. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, 70. Now, moving to question number 15. In an AP, if D equals minus 4, N equals 7 and AN equals 4, then value of A is. Now, using the nth term formula, AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. By using the concept of nth term of an AP, that is AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. Now, substitute the value of AN, that is 4. Now, A as it is, substitute the value of N, that is 7 minus 1 into D is minus 4. Now, AN equals 4. A plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into minus 4. 4 equals A plus into minus 6 4s are 24. A equals shift minus 24 to LHS, we get plus 24. Therefore, A equals 24 plus 4, which is equal to 28. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, 28. The first term is 28. Students, unit-wise multiple choice questions will be uploaded as soon as possible for maths and science. Don't miss out any videos, that is multiple choice questions videos for your exam. Therefore, do subscribe the channel and do share with your friends. It is important to practice as many questions as possible, unit wise and mock tests. It is very important to solve within the time frame, so do practice more questions. I'll be uploading few model question papers which will be useful for your exams. Thank you.